behalf of this house, abaleba atene na bonspi, na basani ba Boaz, taliba iri. Iko na umukuligere limorole, Boaz ni ngole nge ase kero mondo. Tuketi, asanteni. Enchomo nyene, oyo no musani, ono muntu nale kuruka umwana umintomoke, because every time araga nikenda ukwana gakomboli ngana ngiyokora. Engana mbwatana yamo, I may not talk much, but I'm only pleading to the family. Just the way this guy could call me and tell me take care of my daughter and my wife. I am pleading with you. Don't ever, by all means, don't ever throw this woman. I'm sorry to say this, lakini nabasoro ire. Omwana Boaz yoro. I remember one time, I may not get time to come and talk, because on Friday, think what attend matanga. But the uncle and okay. And sorry for those people who are going to misquote me. A lot, can I take like 5 minutes, please? A lot has been said kurugesa Boaz ya kwete. Abantu ba aramirwe. Abantu tuwa very profiled enchirembe. But my brothers and sisters, tato muabo Boaz, mamo muabo Boaz. If there is anything Boaz has left us with, Asha, kakina abasoroire. Nitawapigia hata magoti, please, mwenyoro mwana Boaz na moga Boaz. Ntugu nende gaki. Jitinda chako ba command buno bosigara lakini nacha buno masani because nabu ate function ende nacha nechi yu ni thing chetia go skia onde bwenzi. Kakina abasoroire. Nche egento mura ankonye kenene amatanga Boaz iga ngakirite simikero kende tokalera inche nyina na Boaz egentare gonte bigio kanande lads was Boaz yantebeti samingo kunde na gokonye ira abana abange ase charity event cyagokora kakitu bwanje mukane na abana bakoleki achandike please na waomba make sure June no mwana. That's all I can tell you. Thank you.
Asante sana. Thank you so much, friend Sammy Ondimu. And one thing I believe, njoma de onye gene tenge family mogaka tato mwabo Boaz.